Today we'll be defeating Oda with pure stealth, no katana, no weapons, nothing. You first need to run from Oda and take a hideout. And once you're there, take camera controls and try to overheat Oda. As you can see, I'm trying to overheat Oda. This will reduce the health of Oda by a significant amount. And once that's done, you are here. You are safely hidden, no pressure, nothing, no jump scares, everything calm, relaxed. Now let's see where I am. There I am sitting behind, and there's Oda. He's trying to regenerate his health, but he won't be able to do so. Here you can see Oda has been and 17% damage. So I'm taking the camera control. This is the first camera. So once I've taken the control of first camera, I'll take the control of second camera, so it becomes untraceable for Oda. So here's the second camera, positioning the camera to take over the control. So here's the second camera, and once I'm taken the control, I'll focus the camera on Oda, open the scanner, and overheat. That's how I have done overheating around 30 to 35 times, and you can see Oda's health. That's how you can defeat Oda completely without getting knocked out. Thank you.